Let's also get you our next breaking update. Actor Surya has put out a detailed statement on the social media where he says, and allow me to quote, "We've been seeing probation of alcohol policy debate only during election time from all parties. People addicted to 150 rupees alcohol from TASMAC when they are unable to afford. They are preferring," he says, 50 rupees poisonous liquor. Then he ends by saying, "When we are going to realize that alcohol addiction is not an individual issue, it's an issue of the whole society, of each family," unquote. That's the statement, Varshini. What is he trying to do? Because when people at this level, when celebrities speak up, clearly it resonates with the masses. Is he trying to give a long rope to the authorities by saying that, it's an issue of the whole society, of every family, they need to be equally responsible?
Actor Surya, when you speak about him from the past, he's definitely been politically very active in a lot of instances. He's come out and spoken. He's taken a lot of stand at several points. And similarly today also, when he's spoken about the Kalakurchi huge tragedy that has taken place, he has taken a very big stand, and he has in fact slammed the DMK government for not being, very careful and very proactive about such a situation and taking precautionary measures to ensure the lives of the people, was not lost in this kind of a situation. He's also condemned the ruling government for failing to stop the selling of illicit liquor. He's mentioned about what happened last year and this year and how this is a failure of governance. And he's also spoken about how these kind of incidents can be, stopped in the future if the governments, whoever is in power, acts with a lot of precaution and comes up with a lot of, foresight. And many years of violence should be stopped immediately, where the government itself encourages alcohol consumption, is what another point he's mentioned. He says that the TASMAC run shops are, entirely run by the government, and the amounts, the prices, it's very expensive, and that is why people who are not able to afford this are going to resort to such illegal and illicit selling of spurious liquor, which is available at a very cheap rate in a very sketchy manner. And this is also in a way responsible. The government should be taking responsibility for these deaths in this way also, is what Actor Surya has mentioned in his another statement. Therefore, he has slammed on the ruling government for failing in administration in the state, is essentially what Surya is trying to speak at this point of time.
All right, Varshini helping us decode that entire statement. Why don't you stay with us? We have more breaking inputs coming on the story and the kind of action that has been taken by the government. We are learning now that the Tamil Nadu Chemist and Druggist Association has warned all the 37,000 medical shops in the state not to sell sanitizers in larger quantities to any individual. Why is that, and what happens from here on? Varshini continues to stay with us. Varshini, what does the full order say?
Well, in this regard to the guidelines that has been put out with regards to selling of sanitizers in medical shops is because of the amount of ethanol that these sanitizers contain, and this is also being used to certain extent by some sectors of people, where they use it for alcohol, for an alternative for alcohol addiction. And the Tamil Nadu government has stated that they have sensed a rise in the selling of sanitizers in the past few days, and this is probably because of the unavailability of other alternative liquor or the spurious liquor that people resort to in rural parts of the state. And that is why they have come down with these set of guidelines, where they have said unless they provide an Aadhaar card, unless they give proper information and submit their information to the medical stores, they cannot be taken, or they cannot be allowed to buy these sanitizers. And this is purely because the components of the sanitizers, since they contain extremely high quantities of ethanol in it, it directly becomes an alternative for these kind of addiction. And that is why the Tamil Nadu government at this point of time, they cannot afford to make another mistake. They cannot afford to take another risk with any other kind of tragedy or an accident happening. And that is why they've come up with this step very, very soon after that this tragedy is, in fact, it is not even after, while the huge tragedy is still ongoing.